Have you ever wondered why some video editors get flooded with client inquiries while others with better skills get completely ignored? If you don't know me, I'm Robin. I grew my following to over 100k followers on Instagram, generated tens of millions of views, but most importantly, I've grown my content agency and now I help video editors like myself land their first 2 to 5k clients. Now, I know the title was a bit clickbait, but here's the thing, if your goal is to just go viral, this video isn't for you. What I'm about to share is how to create reels that reach the right audience. Business owners who will actually hire you for video editing. So, let me break it down in 5 simple steps. Number 1, the question hook. First thing, every single reel starts with a compelling question. And I mean a question that makes potential clients stick around until the end to find out the answer. You can't just ask anything though, like what editing software are you using? That's boring, nobody cares. But if I ask you something like, what if I told you the video you just posted is actually losing your clients? Now business owners wants to know what you mean. Or try, why do some videos get 100k views while others with better content gets 500? That's the kind of question that makes people think, wait, what? I need to know the answer to this. The question needs to create immediate curiosity about a problem your potential clients actually have. Without a strong question that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds, you're done. They will scroll right past you. Number 2, the journey and progression. Once you hook them in with the question, you need to take them on a journey towards the answer. And here's the key, they need to feel consistent progression. Like they're getting closer and closer to finding out what they came for. So if your question was about videos losing clients, you might say something like, let me show you the 3 editing mistakes I see business owners making that are costing them sales. Now they know exactly what's coming, 3 mistakes. They can track their progress through your content. You could easily break it down like first, your intro is too long, second, your audio is inconsistent, and third, your call to action is not strong enough. You're building anticipation while giving them the value along the way. They feel like they can't stop watching because they are invested in getting to the end. This is what separates viral content from content that dies after 10 seconds. Speaking of saving time and creating better content, let me tell you about something that's been a game changer for video editors and content creators. Filming yourself is just one piece of the puzzle. If you're serious about turning your video skills into a real business, you need the right system and the community for that. And that's exactly why I created Agency Hub. It's our community specifically designed for video editors and creators who want to land their first 1 to 5k clients. Inside Agency Hub, you get the editing mastery training, personal branding framework, and viral content templates, and a complete client acquisition system. Plus, we do weekly live coaching calls and you get access to a private community of 6-figure editors. And the best thing is you have a 7-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Right now, Agency Hub is just $197, but the price is going up to $497 soon. If you're ready to turn your video skills into a real income, check out the link in the description below. And number 3, add conflicts before the answer. This is what most people mess up. They make everything too smooth. If everything goes perfectly in your reels, nobody cares. You need a conflict before you give the answer. Maybe you're showing a before and after edit, but first you demonstrate what happens when the editing is done wrong. Show the choppy cuts, the bad audio sync, and the confusing transitions. Or maybe you're explaining how to create engaging content, but you mention the common mistakes that kills engagement completely. For example, like most creators thinks more effects equals better content, but watch what happened when I removed 90% of the effects. Then show the dramatic improvement. This creates tension. It makes business owners think, oh no, I'm making this mistake too. Without conflict, your audience just isn't as invested. They will scroll away because there's no emotional hook keeping them there. Number 4, deliver the answer quickly and concisely. After you built up enough tension, it's time to deliver the answer. And here's the thing, give it to them quickly and concisely, but make it engaging. Don't complicate it, don't drag it out. They came for an answer, so give them exactly what they were promised. If you asked about videos losing clients, show them the solution. Here's how to fix your intro in 30 seconds. Then you demonstrate it, of course. If you promise 3 editing mistakes, deliver all the 3 editing mistakes with clear before and after examples. The key is making it feel satisfying, like they've got real value that they can implement and apply to their own content. Remember, if it takes too long to explain your solution than it does to actually implement it, you're probably overcooking it. Number 5, make every second count. Look, the goal isn't to just get views, it's to reach business owners who need video editing services. Every second of your reel should serve a purpose. No unnecessary cuts, no unnecessary filler words, no wasted moments. When you're creating content this way, you're not just going viral, you're attracting an audience that are interested in hiring you. These are people who will pay you 2 to 5k for video editing services. They're watching your content thinking this person knows what they're doing. I need to hire them. That's how I've been able to grow my agency and help video editors land high-paying clients. It's not just about going viral, it's about reaching the right people. So remember, start with a compelling question that addresses a real problem. Take them on a journey with a clear progression. Add some conflict to keep them invested, then deliver the answer in a satisfying way. If you're a video editor or creator ready to land 2 to 5k clients using strategies like these, check out Agency Hub in the description below. Full transparency, the price will go up very soon to $497, so make sure to join before that goes up. And if this helped you, hit that subscribe button because I'm dropping more content strategies that actually work for building real businesses. And with that being said, it's time to get back to work.